Hello, hi dear students. Today we are going to teach you who to use Avada theme and who to manage the theme. This theme will be you have to use this in WordPress. WordPress is the best platform to create and design a beautiful website for you and your customer. In the WordPress, you if you are using the WordPress Avada theme, this will be create a great beauty in your website and perform a great functionality in your website. Avada theme is the best and the unique theme that provide a outclass facilities for us to creating a website. Let's see who to use the Avada theme in the WordPress. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. You will be get a notification from YouTube when we are uploaded any new video. Thanks for your watching. First of all, you have to log in your WordPress dashboard. If you have any site, you have to log in WordPress dashboard. In this journal, we are going to setting we are going to set the company name Universal Lights and Co. Going to press the save button. This will be change the company name. Next time you will be view your site, this will be show the Universal Light and Company. And the next we are going to appearance and the theme section. In this theme section we are going to add a new theme. That new theme is name is Avada. Write the Avada and press the enter button. System will be find for you. This is not Avada because Avada is not a free theme. We are already buy this. You have to buy this for use this. I am going to upload the theme because we have in our computer hard disk drive. Now I am going to the Avada theme. Yes, got it. This is theme available in our Avada theme to install. This is the copy of Avada theme. Press the install button. Before this, we are going to visit our site. Our website look like this. After when we are installation the Avada theme, this theme our website totally change into new style, new design. You will be find amazing look in your website. Wait, system will be take a little bit time to installation of this Avada theme because this is not a small theme, this is a big theme, and also maybe some reduce your website speed. After this installation successfully, we have to active the theme. Okay, installation and update required. Avada theme required this type of two plugins. We are going to add the plugins because after these plugins Avada will be perform well. Okay, install plugin active successfully. Going to back a required installation. These plugins are available for us in this theme. Let's see who to look like our website. Now I am going to press refresh the button. Done. Avada is working successfully. The Avada is loaded into our screen. Let's see who to manage the Avada theme. Go and I am going to Avada and Avada theme. Going to dashboard. In this dashboard Avada, we are going to set the theme options. There are many theme options available. You will be find amazing theme options available in the Avada tutorial. Let's see. Look like Fusion Builder Avada 6.1. Who to look like your website? Wide R box. We are click wide site width. You can set. You can manage the site width. All many settings you can have to set here. And the responsive, this website also is responsive, like this website automatically adjust their size, height and width in mobile tabs and computer screen. Next, you can also set the color of this website, like this type. At this time our website primary color, I am going to, here are many predefined colors. I am choose this because I like this. Press the save button. After saving, go to refresh the button. You will be got some difference changes in the Avada theme because all theme settings in this. After this, the header, in the header section there are many type of headers, like this type of, this type, this type, this type. All type of settings you can set here. This is the beauty, I think so. I am going to use this. Yes, this is the beauty. I am going to just press the save changes. After this, the our theme look like that. We are use that. Avada call us today info tagline is there. Our all menu bar show here. After some settings, you can also look like this set, this set, this set, whichever you would you like. Next time menu not at this time logo. In the logo section you can remove this and you can update, load new logo. Upload logo, you can select, we are removing the logo. After removing the logo, system will be show original company name and remove this logo from here. I am going to refresh button. System will be show the company name and taglines here. This is the basic our main color. I am going to again change the color. After this you will be see who to Avada change the your home theme color. Going to press the refresh button. The system will be show the theme, complete theme color. I think so, predefined colors. Okay, this okay, save changes, refresh. Okay, let this color theme color change successfully. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe our channel. You will be get a notification when we are uploaded any new video. Thanks for your watching.